For the first time ever in Bangladesh, we are all-in-one factory-to-buyer merchandising and sourcing platform in the fashion industry. With nearly 20-plus years of excellence in sourcing, WoowTag connects you with over 100-plus certified and compliant factories to meet all your production needs. We've proudly worked with renowned global buyers like Walmart, Next, Tom Tailor, Mango, Gibber, Champion, H&M, and numerous other brands across Europe, the USA, UAE, Russia, and beyond. From small MOQs to bulk orders, we help emerging brands ensuring top-notch service at every step. Why you should choose us: end-to-end production support, sample development and smart merchandising, printing, yarn, fabric, accessories, and trim supply, reliable subcontracting services, payment security and on-time shipment, seamless logistics and consultancy services. If you are a buyer or brand owner, we offer complete support to ensure your orders are handled smoothly and professionally. From selecting certified factories and planning production with experienced merchandisers to sourcing fabrics, raw materials, and accessories, we manage it all. We oversee every step, including cutting, sewing, finishing, and conducting 100% quality checks, all while meeting your deadlines. Our expert merchandisers monitor the entire process, ensuring your order is executed perfectly from start to finish. With us as your partner, you can trust in reliable service and outstanding results. Let's bring your vision to life. Whether you need sourcing support or expert production consultancy, we're here to help. Contact WoowTag today and experience the difference trusted sourcing can make. Email us at info@wowtag.com or give us a call at 016-732-3264.